Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So, before we get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and look at how the market is today. Big news came out today. Something big came out today. Solana NFTs are now on OpenSea, as you could see here, set on crack. It didn't really explode much, but I feel throughout the year, people are going to start moving from Magic Eden to OpenSea. But for now, I still see people using Magic Eden. Force of habit, I mean, everybody's so used to Magic Eden. Everybody that's into Solana NFTs, it's so used to Magic Eden. But I feel later on throughout the year, I think everybody will start heading over to OpenSea and start selling and buying from there. But let's go ahead and look at some of the projects. Tombstone High Society, I told you guys 3 or 2 videos ago when it was at 8 SOL floor price. I'm bullish on this project. I see this going for 20 for sure this week or either next week. I think it's gonna hit 20. Set on crack is still 40. Super bullish on this as well. I see this hitting D God's level. Maybe not this week, maybe not next week, but I'm telling you guys, it's coming soon. They're making huge moves. Marketing's they created a marketing team, which is great. And then yesterday's video, I told you guys about Dallies. Unfortunately, you guys, I fell asleep during this whole mint, so I missed out on it. I'm not sure what the floor price came out after mint. I don't know if the floor price was at 4 and you could have bought in. But I did expect this price just because of how the whitelist token was going for and the amount of hype behind it as well. I'm not sure about it long term, you guys. If you guys like the project, go ahead. Remember, always look at the team, look if they're hardworking, and there you'll find if the project's good long term or not. But let's go ahead and continue here for our upcoming mints. Okay, so yesterday I mentioned Degen Dojo. So they are releasing April 9th, supply 3888. It looks like there is a lot of hype behind this project. We see here 10K followers. That being said as well, mint price is at 1.5. I wonder if they will sell out. Looking at how much the whitelist token is going on famousfoxes.com. If you guys are new to Solana NFTs, this is one of the websites you could go to and buy your whitelist token. So right now they're at 1.33. If you guys saw my video from yesterday, I was thinking of buying one just to make a play out of it. It was at 0.55. If I would have bought one, I probably would have 2x'd my investment. Yeah, but oh well, we continue. Maybe it might still be a play, you guys. I mean, it might still go up 1.33, but as well, it could go down. So you guys always just do your own research. Unfortunately, I don't know why I can't get into the Discord, but let's go ahead here and hop onto their website. All right, so this is their website. Let's go ahead, take a look at that roadmap. First things first, you always want to look at that roadmap. All right, embrace the warrior spirit. Holding NFTs in your wallet will keep your degens training at the dojo and improve their combat stats. Consecutive weeks in the dojo will amplify the stats gained by your NFTs, making them stronger and more valuable. Okay, so the cipher, the hidden secrets of your NFT. Secrets stored within the metadata of your NFT using blockchain encryption can only be deciphered at the dojo hidden tea house. So we see that they have staking. They're going to come out with some sort of staking. And of course, they are going to come out with the DAO. So this project looks cool. This is their team here. I'm not sure if they're doxed. Like I said, I can't get into their Discord. I think this play would be risky. I'm going to put in my risky play, you guys. I'm going to be looking at it. I'm not sure if I'm going to mint, but maybe do a play with the whitelist token. Who knows? But I'll be looking at this project for sure. So while I was looking around as well through the famous token market, I noticed one project as well. Their whitelist token is selling, which is Faded Foxes. Let me go in here and go into the Discord. They are actually releasing tomorrow, you guys, for 1.2. So that whitelist token that it's selling for 1 SOL, which is not bad. It's pretty good, you guys. Their supply is 2,222. It has a chance to pump. I tried going. Well, I did go on their website. So Faded Fox is what it is, you guys. They're gonna create their own launchpad. So they don't pretty much their motto is they don't want people getting rugged anymore, etc. We know how it is. And then they're gonna form the pack, legendary foxes, and then they're gonna come out with female faded foxes as well. So, like I just said, right here, they're gonna come out with their launchpad, doxing service as well to ensure a rug-free ecosystem. So, they did get audited by, let's go ahead and see, Alder Mages, 90 out of 100. I always wonder, I could probably look at the website in Alder Mages. I wonder what made them not get 100 out of 100. Like I say, always do your own research on these projects, you guys. And there's some hidden things that could probably destroy the project. You never know. You know, rugs are always a possibility. But that's all for me, you guys. So, Faded Foxes, yeah, they release tomorrow. You could probably do a play, you guys, with the whitelist token as well. Whitelist tokens seem to give you a lot of profit. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's pretty much free money. You just got to work hard, try to get a whitelist from the Discord. And you could see here, you pretty much get 1.3. Pretty much a free $100, you guys. You just got to work hard and try to get whitelisted. So there's always ways to make money in the Solana ecosystem. But go ahead and subscribe, you guys. And thank you so much for 100 subscribers. And I'll be, like I said, I'll be posting more and more content each day. You guys have a great one and take care. Wag me.